In this SolidWorks tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a motor mount uh, bracket made out of a sheet metal part. There involves several key features, obviously the sheet metal sketch bend, the hole pattern here, and the rib feature, which we'll cover, so stay tuned. Alright, we are in a new part template. Let's go ahead and go to Insert, Sheet Metal, Base Flange. We always start with a base flange. We're going to choose front plane here, and we are in sketch mode. Let's go. Center rectangle. Boom. From the center, we're in inches, so we're going to start locking down dimensions. We'll do 2x4, something simple. And once we exit the sketch, it'll give us a gauge thickness. We could use a gauge table if we wanted to. We'll just keep it simple for now. Yes, that's great. Oh, let's go ahead and select the material as well. We'll do 316 stainless steel. We are now going to start a sketch on this face for the hole pattern. So let's first do, we can do a center rectangle again. From the center, we can kind of hover over and go horizontally to then place our rectangle. Make it for construction, obviously, because we're not using that for the extrusion. So let's start locking down some dimensions. .5. We'll make this equal to this one by just clicking that dimension. Yep. And that's not locked down, so we can place a horizontal. Great. We can place our holes. Make them all equal by first selecting each one. I'll make these an 1/8 inch in diameter. And our main central hole for the shaft of the motor. Make it 5/8. Great. How we can extrude cut through all. Now for the second hole pattern. Do another sketch here. Let's do some center lines just to mark centers across these holes. Actually, let's do an offset. Select that edge, make it 0.1875. Make this for construction. Here, we're gonna make just 2 circles like that. They're gonna be equal to each other. Oops. Set that horizontally. Then we can make this diameter equal to this one. Boom. Lastly, from the center out 1/2 inch. Then we can mirror entities. Ah, crap. Forgot one more center line. Mirror about. Boom. Now we're ready to do another extrude cut. All right. Now for the slots on the other side where we mount to the base of whatever foundation we're bolting it onto. Click the slot sketching tool, center to center. Draw our center line. All right. That one's locked down, and then we can mirror through all. So we got the hole patterns and slots. Now we can do another insert, sheet metal. We're going to do what's called a sketched bend. So we're going to select this face, and it's going to ask us to sketch. So we'll draw just a line in the center where we want the bend to take place. Exit. And we'll select the entire face and bend parameters. Notice we can flip the direction for the angle if we wanted to. We're going to keep at 90. And we have our nice bend here. Next, we'll do the ribs. Go up to this rib feature. select that side edge, and we'll just, draw a small angled line. Nothing fancy. Select OK. This is where we set we want it inside the edge. And it automatically gives us a nice support on that side. We can mirror that if we want. Okay. Lastly, we just place our fillets here. And there you go is our sheet metal bracket for mounting a motor, step motor. Support me on Patreon, become a channel member. As always, like this video, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.